Okay, for those of you watching, this is October 14th, and you can see from when we did the last video for the hydroponics that they have really done well, fared well through the hurricane because we took them apart. Well, Butch took them apart. Down here we've got a lot of weeds waiting for some seedlings that survived the rain and wind to come up. So you can garden well in Florida, in Sarasota, Florida, in the whole area really. Someone asked me how to cook bok choy. I typically saute it. Cut it up, cut off the stems if you don't like the crunch. I've got some garlic sizzling in this pan with some olive oil. I'm gonna pour in the bok choy and saute it till, I don't know, maybe for 5 minutes, and then just put the lid on it until you're ready to eat.